My girlfriend is very supportive on this race car build. Ha! I like that. Yeah. You guys want to see it? An ECS. Woo! That's gonna be a lady part. All right, guys. That right there is the rear diff mount. We're gonna go ahead, pick up the car, pull it up, and I'll show you guys exactly where it's gonna go. One, two, and three, four with that one. Those are the ones we gotta take off, and yeah, let's get started. First, you get your tools. This is an 8mm Allen, and I use this little bendable extension because it's kind of hard to get in here with the exhaust right there. But check it out. Right. Go ahead, break it loose. Nice. I got all those three loosened up. Now what I'm gonna do is take them off so I can start taking off this big bolt up here. Once you drop down those 3 bolts from the rear diff mount, your diff will drop down a bit, and then it will give you access to that bolt right there. And that is gonna be an exactly, yeah, it's that mill right there. Haha. So you kind of want to grab this side too as well. See that bolt right there? That one right there. You're gonna want to go ahead and grab that one while loosening up this one. Yay! 6-inch extension. That's what you're gonna need for this one. Get yourself a nice little 16, and I got myself another 16 little retro or little 16 right here as well, so I can go ahead and hold it from the back here. Once you have it loosened, you have that little key back there holding it, and you kind of loosen it. Hopefully, it don't fall off. Ah, it's gonna fall! Alright. Ethylene bushing right here. This one's trash. You can see there's a lot of, you get a lot of play from the drive shaft pushing back and all that with this bushing. Hopefully this one resolves it. I'm gonna go ahead and slap it on because I'm very excited. But dude, it should be really lit. To put it back on, you're gonna go ahead and reverse everything that I did. And if you guys don't know exactly what I didn't do a very good job. I'm not gonna show you guys too much of it. Hopefully you guys understood and how to take it off from how I showed you guys. And then you guys can just go ahead and reverse the steps. So, parts installed. I wanna let you guys know that there's a few of these bolts in there, these long ones. This one came off the stock one. But these long ones are the ones that go onto this piece right here. And I came up only with 3 of these long ones, and I only needed 1, so I used the 1. Don't forget to put your washers as well. You're gonna go ahead and reuse your 3 8mm Allen bolts, and this is how it should look. There is a new part installed. It looks nice and good. Woo! ECS, baby. Not too difficult. Anyone can do it. I think my girlfriend can do it too. Thanks to this girl for buying me that part for Christmas. I love this girl. Thank you, honey. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the car right now, and we'll probably go take it for a drive and see how it feels. Shifts feel a lot better.
just ate. I'm gonna throw up.
Ready? The car feels better. When it comes to shifting, it feels more like it grabs, so it's more like responsive when you pull out. It's kind of hard to explain, but it feels great. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably close it there. Who the hell parked in my... Someone parked in my parking spot. I don't approve. So before I start cutting, doing all the wide body, I gotta get a few more parts, such as the spacers, hub centric rings, and obviously I need some tires. But I'm trying to get the fitment right. I went ahead and installed the tire the other day, and the fitment was pretty good, on point. Not that bad. I mean, with the spacers, it should be alright. Hopefully this year comes in clutch with a lot of vlogs. But yeah, stay tuned for more installs. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe, guys. Keep up the movement and stay lit, fam.